I was listening to an AI clone of myself when I realized the legal system had already failed. If you ignore this, you will legally lose ownership of your own identity. The loophole saving top artists changes everything. For decades, intellectual property was simple. You created a piece of art or a video, and the law automatically protected that specific file. But copyright laws were built for humans stealing from humans, not machines learning from datasets. If someone copied your exact song, you could sue them. If a machine listened to your song and generated a completely new track in your exact vocal style, the legal framework suddenly fell apart. Copyright protects the expression of an idea, not the biometric signature of the artist. This gap left creators completely exposed. And this is exactly where the system broke down entirely. The collapse happened the moment voice cloning software became cheap and widely available. Suddenly, anyone could generate a flawless audio track of a famous artist saying or singing absolutely anything. We saw synthetic tracks rack up millions of streams before record labels could even draft a legal notice. Intellectual property lawyer Eleonora Rosati pointed out a massive flaw in the current system. Traditional copyright cannot protect a voice because a voice is not a fixed work. It is a human attribute. When the machines learned to replicate human attributes at scale, every creator realized their most valuable asset was completely unprotected by standard laws, which forced an incredibly aggressive pivot. Top-tier artists stopped relying on copyright and started treating their biological traits as corporate brands. Taylor Swift did not just copyright her new album, she went a step further and legally registered her voice. This shifts the battlefield entirely. By registering a voice as a trademark, the legal argument moves away from who wrote the song and directly attacks the unauthorized commercial use of a brand identity. It is a brilliant legal maneuver. If an AI generates a fake Swift song, her legal team does not sue for copyright infringement. They sue for trademark violation, which is significantly faster and more destructive to the offender. But the implications go way beyond celebrities. This trademark strategy is actively forcing AI platforms to change their entire business models. Instead of scraping data without permission, the smart companies are now building licensed datasets. They are paying artists upfront for the right to train models on their verified voice trademarks. The creators who secured their biometric rights early are now generating passive income by legally licensing their digital twins. Those who relied on outdated copyright laws are spending millions in court trying to prove damages. It has created a massive wealth gap between artists who understand digital law and those who do not. The blueprint for survival is becoming extremely clear. You do not need to be a billionaire pop star to use this exact same framework. The modern creator must audit every single piece of their digital footprint. If you run a YouTube channel or a personal brand, your voice and your likeness are your actual products. Legal experts are advising creators to register trademarks for their channel names and their distinctive audio signatures. You have to build a legal fence around your identity before an AI model absorbs it into the public domain. The cost of filing a trademark is negligible compared to the cost of losing your digital sovereignty. And the timeline to act is shrinking fast. We are rapidly approaching a reality where your digital identity will be more valuable than your physical one. The legal systems across the globe are scrambling to draft specific AI regulations, but the technology is moving significantly faster than the courts. In the near future, we will likely see biometric registries where everyday professionals log their voice prints on secure blockchains just to prevent unauthorized scraping. The Taylor Swift voice registration was not an anomaly, it was the first warning shot in a massive incoming war over human identity. The people who secure their digital assets today will control the media landscape of tomorrow. If you want to protect your digital future before the laws change, subscribe and hit the